Hi there, this is episode 3 of KTV, and I'm your friendly neighborhood robot nerd Leith, and joining me, as always, our host Johanna.
Hi! In our third installment of Doing with duAro, we're going to explore using the duAro for multiple assembly operations.
And for our bonus content, we're going to take a look at how easy it is to change tools with the duAro.
duAro's advantage for assembly is its two co-located arms. This affords some flexibility in the assembly process.
Why, yes, it does. One arm can be used to hold the assembly as it's being built, while the other brings the piece parts to the assembly. This can help reduce the cost of expensive fixtures and jigs.
And who doesn't like to save money? Another avenue is using both arms to bring the piece parts to the assembly, increasing production volume.
Also, if your incoming parts are loosely organized, the duAro has options for integrated vision for guiding the robot picking motion.
So with the duAro, we can reduce cost, increase production, and it even has integrated vision.
Wow. With all the different parts we want to assemble, it requires a lot of different tools to assemble those parts.
Whoa, sounds to me like you're about to drop some really awesome bonus content.
That's right. One of the options for the duAro is a small part called the extension adapter. Its machine details are designed to interface directly with the fingers of the standard base chuck. So allow you to take any existing tool and turn it into a duAro end-of-arm tool.
Wow, that's really, really cool.
The extension adapter is a simple and elegant solution to allow you to mount any number of tools to the same robot. That's it for this episode. We hope that you feel inspired by what you've seen here. Please let us know your questions or inquiries.
And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can see what's happening at Kawasaki Robotics.
Thanks for watching.
Until next time.